Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl Mercy Mass Blog aka the Ototayo, wey dey bring on ogbonge gist all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbe small na gather here man yarn na the tori as e dey hot. This man here, when be Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, na him dey in charge of NIN, the SIM card registration wey dem dey do for Nigeria now. His name na Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Pantami. Him matter dey ground sit for newspapers say he dey the US terrorist watch list. The minister come threa ten to take these people wey publish this thing to court. But recently now, he come and say the Isa Pantami get some past share ideology similarity with those of some terrorist group, because now they don see for YouTube and they don see here for audio when the minister dey support violence, dey encourage reprisal attack. He also dey praise its mastermind, and they see for video when Isa Pantami dey commend late Osama bin Laden, say make Allah grant the terrorist group victory for their fight against the unbelievers. Now him dey in charge of SIM card. Anything when person dey talk, na there dey control am. No wonder the country dey find it hard to achieve peace. See how many people Boko Haram dey kill. When the Nigeria government come catch 700 of them by the soldier, Nigeria politicians dey come suggest make president accommodate them, make he give them amnesty. One top politician even ask the president to give them scholarship to study abroad. So the minister Isa Pantami come talk say all those things na when he take dey young na he talk them, say he don renounce all those things since he don turn new leaf. Say na immaturity and lack of knowledge na dey worry am before, because he dey small, he no know wetin he dey do that time. So make dem do wetin, pardon now. So yesterday, which was 18 April 2021, the party PDP and their national publicity secretary, when they call Kola Ologbodeyan, come talk say the Department of State Service to invite Isa Pantami for some questioning over the allegation with the Taliban and Al-Qaeda, and President Buhari should immediately sack the minister. Say he dey predicated in international arena. Say e dey possible for the minister to compromise because the minister get access to government documents and information, also to data of all individuals, high profile, both traditional and faith-based cycle. Say he dey register SIM for other people in another country to come invade the country, Nigeria. So make Nigeria people dey at alert, because now e be like say na the top people dey do wetin, dey sell the country. Before they put am for minister, they not do background check up for her before to know am wetin he don do. Now see this one don come outside. Now he come talk say na when he dey young na he take do am. Nobody know where all the bandits dey come from. Bandits do wetin, go invade military base. Who dey give all those people information? Before the military go even plan, bandits don't know wetin dem dey plan. So my people, make everybody dey at alert. If you get information, report it to the security agency. Now I say ma do wetin, call let una know. Let's go straight to another ogbonge update gist. The World Igbo Congress, when be week, don come out yesterday. The chairman of the board director, wey they call Professor Anthony Ejiofor, and member executive of the group, come talk say that new security outfit when the Southeast governors create, so they do wetin, they reject am. Say na the same function when Eastern Security Network, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu create, they do. Na the same function they still dey do. So there is no need to do wetin, to accept them. Say how you expect Fulani security officer who be expert to plan security for the Southeast? Say how you expect people when plan, when they hold sword to cut off their hair, to also be their defender? Say who dey torment them no fit protect them from the plan to destroy them. So make the government beware of wetin they try to plan, because they won't try to do wetin, put enemy. So make the governor help in strengthening the Eastern Security Network. There is no need to create another security again when they don't get Eastern Security Network. The spokesperson, Honorable Basi Onwunkwe, come talk say the Southeast governors need to work for the people of Igbo land. Make they support the Eastern Security Network to provide the necessary things to make it strong security outfit for Ndi Igbo. No be the one wey dem dey crucify and come dey do wetin dey create another security. Say that one no do wetin, no go join. And the plan wey the Southeast governors get to invite military to the Southeast, make dem do wetin, stop am. Because if they try am, that one go do wetin, go bring big revolution when dem no do wetin want. So make the Southeast governor act wise to do wetin, protect their people. They already get Eastern Security Network when e go protect their people from Fulani herdsmen. No be say they go come go invite Fulani military come dey kill their people, rape their women again. They no want am that way. So make all the whole Southeast governor deviate from that plan when they dey get. So now I say ma do wetin, come let una know, my people. Please like, comment, share. Also follow me on my Instagram and YouTube. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge.